How to create a logo in Figma. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Figma application. You can use the desktop version as well. After that, log into your Figma account, or if you are new to Figma, simply sign up. Now, tap on the plus icon and then you will be ready to create your design. The creation process will be much easier if you use the desktop app. You will see an option of creating a new project. Simply tap on it, and then from there you will get several components. Using that, you will be able to create a logo of your own. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.